No.
Yo, welcome everybody to the Apex Brotherhood live stream Thursday edition. My name's Richard, and on one of these two sides is Will Davies. How are you, my friend?
I am good, my man. How are you?
Dude, not too shabby. Hey, Nige, not too shabby.
Awesome stuff. What's news? What is news in the
What is
life
new
of Rich?
in the life of Rich?
Yeah, I feel like it's what is new, not as what is news, isn't it?
Yeah, it's what is new.
Well, I know there's not really anything
something
new.
you haven't told me yet about your life. What is new in the life of Rich? What is new at the moment in the life of Rich is nothing much, mate.
I mean, no news is good news, I suppose.
I mean, fair. No news is good news. No news is effectively good news.
Yes, I suppose so. Thursday, guys, we have got 2 days left of the markets, and I am buzzing. I'm looking forward to the weekend, man. I'm looking forward to just relaxing, chilling. I feel like these couple of weeks are just going to be really slow, and like my hair is doing I do not bloody know what it wants to do. So I think I need to go get it cut at some point. I've changed the direction of my hair. Usually it's over that. Do you reckon? Usually it's over that side, and like this side just peacocks up. So I thought my hair's long enough now and it's heavy enough. I wonder what happens if I put it that side, and it's not peacocking as much on this side, and it's managed to push my hair down at the back here. So I thought, interesting. Yeah, so I've just completely flipped my hair, and I don't think it knows whether to agree with me or not yet. So,
nah, dude, you'll get used to it. You'll train your hair to do what you want it to do. That's why my hair does what it wants to. Well, it doesn't do what it wants to do. It does what I want it to do. If it gets to a certain length, then yeah. Anyway. Anyway, let's have a quick disclaimer and then we'll get straight into the market, mate.
Do it.
There we go. Let's put on some festive jingle bell rock. All right. Right. Didn't you say yesterday that you are finished trading, mate?
I did indeed.
Are you leaving me alone to do all of the trading? Is that what you're saying?
No, I am not. I've got something special for you guys.
All right.
Not today, I haven't, and it won't be this week. It'll probably be starting
on
Monday.
Why are you teasing us? If you're going to announce something, announce it. Don't say, I have an announcement, and then the announcement is, I will announce something next week.
No. Don't worry. I'm not going to tease you guys and blue balls you guys that badly. I'm going to announce it today, but I'm going to start it Monday. So don't worry.
Ah, okay.
So, today will be a chart day. So I will bring my chart up, I'll bring my trading view up, I'll do some drawings and some squiggles and like draw all over and do some awesome cool squiggly drawings for you guys. However, I will not be placing a live trade today. Although tomorrow is our competition day, so I will be trading a competition account. Actually, no, I'll place a live trade, but it'll be on my demo account. However, tomorrow,
a live trade, mate. Come on.
No, true, but it's a trade taken, I suppose. But it will be on a demo account today. Tomorrow is competition day, so that'll also be on a demo account. However, Monday, I shall be coming on with a small, micro, personal account and seeing how large I can grow that account by January. By the time from now until the day I fly, I will
How
be.
small are we talking?
Anything from £10 to £50. Nothing more than £50.
What is the minimum account size that you can go for?
Probably like probably like a quid. I don't think I can profitably trade a quid, mate.
Oh, I meant like what account? Brokerage accounts require a minimum deposit. What is the minimum deposit?
I don't think Vantage has one.
Go make sure, mate. Go make sure. Go read them T's and C's.
Either way, it'll be. I'm sure it's like I'm sure I've deposited a tenner in before.
Why not make it a square £100 and see if you can 10x it?
That's not a bad plan. I could do that indeed. I could chuck 100 quid and see what I could do with it. That wouldn't be a bad plan.
And then, if you make it 10x, you give £100 to 9 people, to 8 people. You keep £100 for yourself, you know, and then 8 people as a giveaway. There you go, £100 each for the community.
That's a good idea.
This is an idea. You don't have to do it. I'm just like, that's an idea.
Very good idea.
But you got to be in it in order to be a part of it. So you need to.
Oh yeah, you got to be in the community, and if you
rock
don't
up into the live stream in Discord, you need to be there, ask questions, react for your chance to maybe
win £100. Huh, I like that. I like that a lot.
We can discuss this after the stream. Maybe
I was gonna say I have to get a 10x on that account first. You know, I need to go from 100 to 1,000 within. When do I fly? I think it's like 3 weeks.
But imagine this, mate. Imagine this. You have
I fly in 3 weeks
time to make, to 10x your account first and foremost. If you don't double your account, then you don't do a handout. Basically, you don't give a giveaway.
Yeah,
because it just doesn't make sense. All right, but it gives everybody else in the community incentive to be a part of the series, to be a part of the experience. To egg you on and be like, "Hey, come on, dude, you can do this." How about this? How about it's an idea. It's an idea. While we're doing that, let's see who's in this morning. We've got Annie Forever. Anirudh, how are you this morning? Good morning, Annie. I see MGN is not first today. That's because MGN is taking a personal day. He's not going to be at the charts. We've got the Apex Brotherhood official saying, come say good morning to us. Tell us what you are trading. I wonder who did this. Morning, Mario. Looks like everyone is still sleeping. Yeah, that's how it goes, mate. Like here by us, it's currently 10 o'clock in the morning, and so I've been awake for the last 3 hours already. But yeah, not a bad day so far. We've got Pooley. Pooley, where have you been? Morning, you filthy animal. Pooley, are you just rocking up like every third day or something these days anymore?
That's a fair point. Where on earth have you been?
Yes. Where have you been?
It's like that sketch of Harry Potter. Where have you been?
Oh, from Molly Weasley.
Yeah. Like,
come on! Bed's empty! No, note! You could have died! Or worse, you could have been seen!
Dude, I love Harry Potter, man. It's like proper Harry Potter season right now as well. It's sort of Christmas period, so it's like that. It's those early Harry Potter days.
Yeah, I don't know, mate. Like, I don't have a specific Christmas movie that I like watching, apart from one.
And which was that?
It is A Nightmare Before Christmas.
Which one's that?
It is a Tim Burton film. It is a stop motion cinematonic, whatever. It is stop motion cinematography. So it is claymation. Nightmare Before Christmas. Jack Skellington. A Nightmare Before Christmas.
Oh yes, yeah. I got you.
Truly saying, I've been in R&D, research and development, brothers, earpods in and backtesting another strategy. You two distract me too much.
Yeah, that's kind of fair. Yeah, fair enough, man.
Truly, let me ask you this. Like, while you're researching and developing, are you trading? Because if you can trade while listening to us, then obviously we're not that distracting. So what you could do is you could wait until it's, I don't know, like the 29th of December or something, like a day where there's nothing happening in the market, between Christmas and New Year. And you can literally then there say, okay, cool, I am going to do my R&D.
Okay, so I need
Planes and automobiles always gets me in the mood for Crimbo and Hook. Oh, dude, Hook, yeah. Will, you seem lost for a second there, mate. You're like,
yeah, fair. You know when you got so much going on in your head. I was just reading comments and trying to go through a Vantage, like one of my Vantage accounts. I was just trying to read comments. I was like,
system overload, mate.
It wasn't. Yeah,
it
was like I don't know what happened. It's just my brain malfunctioned for a second.
Truly saying yes, but can't do three things at once. I'm a bloke.
Yeah, Pooly, I just had the exact same, bro. Computer said no for a second then.
Yeah, 404 page not found, mate.
Yeah, literally. Fucking system error.
Yeah, your brain just goes, nah.
Yeah, pretty much. My brain was like,
nah.
Nah. Not today. Not today, my friend.
Not today.
Yeah, yesterday I just closed all of my terminals and everything. Just decided, screw it, I'm not going to be playing around until the Fed rate cut comes out, or rate decision, let's say. Closed everything. I ended up just playing a PC game, played some Skyrim. It was cold and the weather was just not great here yesterday, so I was thinking, screw it, mate. I'm just gonna,
Was the weather outside frightful?
Super windy, rainy, just like stormy weather.
How about the weather inside? Was that delightful?
The weather inside was amazing.
Well, then there's no place to go.
Exactly, except
just let it snow. Let it snow.
Let it snow.
Let it snow.
Yes. Fully saying National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, the best Crimbo film ever made. Dude, I do like National Lampoon's films. They were pretty good.
Wrong. The Polar Express. Now that is the best Christmas film ever.
You guys are all wrong. Die Hard is the best Christmas movie.
It's not Christmas. It's a good movie.
It's a Christmas film, mate. It's a Christmas film. On Christmas Day. He has to go into the tower to go and take on Yuri. Walter saying, I came here for the rants and the degenerates talks while I'm trading my accounts. Really top. Really enjoy the time here. Mario, we're really... Ooh, sorry. As I was saying that, like...
That's like indigestion.
Double just went... Make my vocal box just go... Anyway, we're happy to have you here, mate. We really appreciate you coming in. And I mean, where are you going to get like this degenerate, absolutely nonsense talking? Apart from the Apex Brotherhood.
Mate, literally, I got something in my right eye. I think someone just flew
Your
into
finger,
my eye.
mate. If you remove your finger, then there's nothing in your eye.
That worked.
Told you. Told you. Sam saying, I nominate Will to play Count Olaf in the next series of a series of unfortunate events. I loved a series of unfortunate events. Google the incredible likeness. Random morning thought. You actually do give off Jim Carrey version of Count Olaf.
Bro, I've been told that so many times. Like, because obviously with my acting as well, I've been told by so many people like, "Well, have you ever thought about acting in like a comedy movie?" I was like, "Yeah, I've thought about it, but there's not a lot down Wales. There's not a lot of acting gigs down here."
Yeah, and also some would say you have to be funny to be a comedic actor.
Well, I was getting on to that. That was my next point. I was
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Asshole.
Jokes on you. And like, well, like sometimes you remind me of Jim Carrey. That would be hilarious to see you in a comedy movie. I was like, yeah, but I'm sort of like I don't know. I don't think I'm that funny.
I'm Ace Ventura, Jim Carrey. You can be Count Olaf, Jim Carrey.
I need to Google that. Count.
Her.
Count Olaf, Jim Carrey.
A series of unfortunate events.
Oh yeah. Lemony Snicket's in a series of unfortunate events. Yeah. I have not seen this, I don't think.
So, it's about a boy and a girl who become orphans. Parents die, and the only relative they have is this Count Olaf. And the only reason why he's taking them in is so that he could get the money from the state, basically, to take care of them. He's an actor.
It sounds like people in the UK.
Yeah, he's an actor. Count Olaf, the actor, and he looks at taking care of them as a gig, as a actor, portraying an uncle, but he's an absolute pile of hot steaming garbage, mate.
Okay, fair. I don't know if that's Sam saying that I'm a hot steaming pile of garbage or that I'm funny. So
no. The looks. it's the visual appeal, mate. Like visually. See, In the Wilds agrees with me. Die Hard is 100% a Christmas movie. It depends on your generation. If you're a young pleb, then the Polar Express is the Christmas movie. Calling you a young pleb.
Dude, I grew up like Polar Express on Christmas Eve was just what we watched ever since I was a kid, and it became a tradition. Although we do watch Die Hard on Christmas Day, to be fair, I will admit, but I don't. Yeah.
Like I said, my vision of a Christmas film is A Nightmare Before Christmas. That's my favorite. Let's say it Christmas adjacent film.
Yeah, no, mine's definitely.
I mean, it's got the word Christmas, and that and How the Grinch Stole Christmas. That's my other favorite one.
Fair. Now, mine's got to be Harry Potter, 100%. It's got to be Harry Potter.
Well, are you saying it's a Christmas movie because they have a Christmas scene in it, or is it because it's built around the idea of Christmas? Is it part of the synopsis? So if you read the back of the DVD cover or whatever, and it says there, on Christmas Day.
Maybe.
No. No, it doesn't. So Harry Potter is not a Christmas film, mate. It needs at the back of the
one movie. I can't remember what movie it is.
It has to say Christmas.
But one movie is solely based around Christmas time. Right. Let me.
Which one? The Harry Potter.
Yeah. Harry. Right. Which I can't spell today. Which Harry Potter is based around Christmas?
Madrasu,
Philosopher's Stone. Philosopher's Stone is based solely around Christmas.
The Philosopher's Stone?
Yeah.
Are you saying it's completely based around Christmas?
The time period during that movie was Christmas.
You do know that the film starts off in September and then works its way, and then it goes past Christmas.
That's why I said that movie, not all the movies. Harry Potter franchise isn't based around bloody Christmas.
Philosopher's Stone. There you have gone and just my point for me.
Philosopher's Stone is a Christmas movie.
You said Harry Potter is a Christmas movie.
Right. So
had a December release, so I too associate with this Christmas. In the wild, go suck your big toe or something, mate. Come on.
Suck on that one, Rich.
I can't, it's too small. I'll gag on it. Why is your camera shaking, mate?
Oh my god, it is.
Will is so triggered that his leg is like kicking the table up and down. It's a Christmas movie. It's a Christmas movie.
Mate, why is my camera shaking so much?
I know, it stopped shaking.
You have triggered my camera into a...
It's the moment you went like this to the camera was like, whoa. Whoa.
Yeah. There's some magical shit going on here.
To just answer this, yes, I've taken 2 trades. I had a sell on EU just as we exited. I've removed it from the...
For God's sake.
I took a sell over here with my stop loss being just above that wick there, and I was looking for a 1 to 2 down over here. Unfortunately, this one knocked me out. And then I took a buy over here for a 1 to 1 with my stop loss being somewhere over there. So I'm break even for today. So tried to sell on EU. It didn't go in my favor. Decided, screw it. I'm going to wait for GU to show a potential setup. Gave me my setup, took the trade. So I am break even for today.
Very nice, my man. Very nice indeed. Yeah, I haven't taken a trade yet. I'm kind of waiting for gold. I think we can have a nice buy setup on gold coming through. Depends though. We are consolidating a little bit.
Yeah, we have to wait for gold to really show what it wants to do. If you have a look at Tokyo Session, we have this base area over here, which is a little bit larger area, little larger base. But if you pull it more towards the left, you'll see that there was a little area of consolidation around that point. So not completely aligned, but it does look like a potential area to come and test and then see if we'll break through. So I will mark this as a base. And then this one down here is just an area of interest. So I'm going to call it a base as well, don't worry. We have this highs of the morning, which is all the way up over there. Price created the high, started to push lower. It broke that recent swing point over there, made a new swing point, made a lower high in relation to this high up over here, and has steadily been pushing lower. So in this leg, let's say just this section here, so far it's completely bearish, and then we've reached a little bit of a consolidation period over here. So I want to see either price break up, take up all of this base area here and keep pushing higher, or potentially break lower, and then we can try and look for an area somewhere down here where price may potentially come and test, but I'll have to have a look. Actually, this doesn't look horrible. Somewhere like that. Doesn't look terrible. Maybe this whole section. Yeah, we can then potentially find our way going lower down to this area over here. Maybe. But it's really going to depend on how we act in this area over here right now.
Yeah, nice. In the wild, someone is under the desk. Yeah, don't worry, I've sorted that issue right out.
Is anybody else looking at any sort of trade right now?
I got this idea on gold. That is my idea. So I'm having a quick look at the news as well. So we've got
the news is later today, mate. We have Pound
Yes.
Governor Bailey speaking at 10 o'clock your time, but it's a orange folder, so there may be a little bit of movement, but not horrible. And then we've got unemployment claims much later in the day.
yeah, unless
And
you
then it's
unless
the
you trade
HA.
Swissy. Yeah, Swissy is in 3 minutes
Like-
time and in 33 minutes time.
Yeah.
And this morning at midnight, or 30 minutes past midnight, we had an employment rate for Aussie dollar. But Aussie dollar. That's about it though. So gold for me, I'd like to see something like this, or maybe something like that.
dollar franc. Yeah, well, I'm gonna keep an eye on the dollar franc, just for the second, because there isn't really anything else to trade right now. I think Nasdaq had quite a sell-off during Tokyo, and it's kind of just entered this area of consolidation now. And it's right at the lows of yesterday's. The low of yesterday, not yesterday's. The low of yesterday. As well as a 5-minute base. I don't know if there's a 15-minute base. No, it's a 5-minute one. So Nas, not really sure what it wants to do right now. Gold, waiting on gold to react. EU, I think, can push more bullishly until we come and test the highs of the day, kind of like thing again, which is very close. And then GU as well made a lower low after it hit a base area as well. It might come and test it again. I'm not sure. Still just waiting. Just gonna wait. Muda saying, I was looking to buy gold, but not. It's consolidating. If you break above, I'll buy. Yeah. No, we're in agreement, mate. Like, it needs to break. I don't really care if it breaks bullish or bearish. It just needs to break. I don't trade consolidation. I trade breakouts and then continuations or reversals. But other than that, gold right now is consolidating right here. And this was the candle that created that failure to push lower. So those people yesterday that were shitting themselves because we were talking, or we were discussing the Tory tan lines or whatever, the people that were shitting.
Yeah.
Now he's drawing a Tory tan line. You can't satisfy everybody in any way. Absolute tools.
Yeah, people were throwing a bitch fit over it. I was like, oh my god, guys, relax.
People
I don't
having
know.
little fucking hissy fits.
I know, I was
Anyway.
like, guys, I don't know what Tory's tan lines look like. Ask Ghetto Dragon. In fact, speaking of Ghetto Dragon, where is he?
Yeah. Anyway, so with gold, as price. No, wait, let's use this one. Price was pushing lower, and then it started losing its downward momentum in relation to the previous downward candles. And instead of creating a new low when it re-attempted or retested this downward channel, basically it broke above it and then created this as a new low. And so I'm looking for the potential for price to attempt to push up yet again. I would like to see price push up, personally. Purely because if this area over here, the highs of London, and even potentially this area over here, if this is a whole segment, if I had this whole area like this, basically, we've already just wicked into it. So I want to see price push higher. If we look at the fib, then this area over here is the 50% fill along with the 618. I would like to see it start pushing off from here. Break through this base area over here. Once it's broken through this base, come and test this high point of this morning. That's what I would like to see. If it's gonna happen, I don't know. I really don't know.
Yeah.
In the wild saying silver might try and retest the highs. I mean, if silver tends to follow gold.
It tends to be just a little bit slower usually.
Yeah, it's like a delayed version of what gold is doing. Not always, but like in general, it's first gold and then silver moving along with it.
Yeah, so that's usually how it works. Also, guys, there's 10 of you watching right now, which is super cool. See you guys up early watching us stream the London Open. Make sure that you smash the likes button. 10 of you watching, only 3 likes. So let's see if we can get over 10 likes, or let's see if we can get 10 likes today minimum. So smash out that thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. I just noticed we went from 111 yesterday, or 110 yesterday, to 113. That was super cool, guys. Thank you so much for the subscribes. So make sure that you're all subscribing to the channel. Also, guys, I'll drop a link to the Discord in the chat now. So if you want to join the Discord and keep up with us every single day and watch us do live trading, not only on the stream or not only on the YouTube, but we also do live trading off stream in the Discord, talking about the charts, chart setups, profits, and fitness as well. So if you want to see us basically off the stream, like off the YouTube, where you can actually speak to us properly on live calls, then jump in the Discord. Link is now in chat.
Yeah, the nice thing about the Discord is you can literally rock in there, switch your mic on, and you can talk to us.
Yeah, it's a proper community, you know. Like, we love the YouTube, but we enjoy the fact that the Discord allows you guys to interact with us if you want to. You can still just sit and chat if you want.
You don't have to.
Yeah, you don't have to interact, but it's nice to give you guys the option of being able to actually talk to us and ask us questions. Think about like mentoring almost. You know, if you've got struggles or if you've got questions regarding trading, you can actually come on and be like, guys, sorry, I'm struggling with this, and like we can actually guide you and help you in the best way possible. Not only that, I'm going to be dropping some resources over the new year. So in the new year, from January onwards, I'm going to be dropping some fantastic resources for trading to help you all, and that's all going to be within the Discord. So if you're in the Discord, you will have complete free access to all these resources. So I think that's gonna be pretty cool as well.
Yeah, dude, I rate that.
Yeah, the Discord, mate, it's gonna be mega. I can't wait. It's gonna be, plus, you know, the next year we've got an annual holiday as well. So we've got an annual meetup with the community. So everyone in the Discord will be invited to a villa or a location that we can all meet up and all hang out. But too much screen.
Like this.
What are you looking at?
The potential for GU and EU to pump higher, mate.
Okay.
We have broken. Where did I want to put that? So there's a swing point. This is a swing higher. This is now a lower swing point. So this is higher than this swing point over here, which was the lower swing from the previous ones. This has now become the new low. Well, technically this down here is the low. So this is the low. This is the low. This is a higher low. This is a higher swing point as well. We have yet again another higher swing point over there. And now we're busy creating another higher swing point. So this is a higher swing point on the low side. And we're busy. So we're busy creating... Oh, sorry. We're busy creating a upward push, basically. So right now, we are at the highs of the day. We've already broken yesterday's highs, which is good because we're back at it again. We're back at the highs of yesterday. Or we're back at the high of the day. So when we had our downward push down here, look how far it was from the lows of the previous day. Previous day lows were over there. So far below, mate. Like, you need to really absolutely tank off to come and take the lows of yesterday. But we've already taken the lows here, and now we're back at it again. So, potential to push above and continue pushing higher. Question is, where are we going to test? So this is the immediate test area over here. This is the most recent swing point. Is that one? And is there an area where we had a little bit of decision? It is this area where we are now.
Starting to like gold a little bit more. That's starting to move quite nicely now. It's trying his hardest to move up. I think EU, if we can break above those highs, that'd be really nice.
So we're about 20 pips away from testing that area. So I do like that. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah. So to me, this area definitely is an area of interest. I want to see it break through. We have this low swing over here. That was the most recent low swing, apart from this one. So I want to see price come down a little bit, not break this low down here, and then start pushing higher. Then I'll probably get in on a buy somewhere over there, aiming for this.
Yeah, nice.
GU, same idea. We have the low of the day, which is over here. We have a new high swing. So let's call this the high swing. So 2 reference points, a low and a high. This is a higher low. Now we need to see whether or not we're going to make a higher high. Somewhere over here. That would be great. If we can get another higher high, and then hopefully we can... So push through, pull back a little bit, and then continue higher, something like that. Then what I would do is I would get in on a buy somewhere over there, aiming for the highs, maybe even higher. But it's going to depend on whether or not I get a base such as this as an example. So price moving up, comes back down, pushes up higher, creates a base candle here, and then a follow-up bullish candle trying to push price higher. That's what I'm looking for.
Nice.
But it all depends on how we act around this area, because we've already had a singular reaction to this area over here, which also has all of that to the left of it, like a decision area. Like even if I bring this one down to incorporate that whole low swing, we've broken into it, haven't broken above. Now we're back at it again. We need to see how we react here. What are you looking at, mate? What are you thinking?
I'm waiting for gold to break the highs at the moment. I think that'd be really nice. If we can break and close above these highs here, move up, break and close, pull back, show rejection, so maybe some wicks down here, and then a continuation up, something along the lines of this.
So you're also then aiming for the highs of the day?
Yes, yeah. I'll be aiming for highs of the day. So we got 3 minutes to see what's happening. We've wicked above, so we've broken above on gold. We just need to see how it closes in. How long have we got? 2.5 minutes. In 2.5 minutes, we will get to see whether or not we have created a valid break and close above.
Fair, mate.
Yeah, now if we have, that will be very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very good, very nice. But we'll see. Time will only tell. We got 2 minutes as well before we head over onto the Discord. So 16 of you watching right now, which is absolutely awesome. Guys, please do not forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. I've just refreshed the page and I have noticed we have got 115 subscribers, which is incredible. So guys, please keep subscribing to the channel and smashing that thumbs up button. We got 10 likes and we have got 115 subs now, which is absolutely incredible. So like I said, keep smashing that thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join the Discord. The link is in the description below, but it is also in chat.
Dude, if you told me 4 months ago that a YouTube channel that we're going to start is going to have over 100 subs before the end of the year, dude, I'd most probably not believe you. I'll be like, there's no way that people would want to watch us, talk shit, have banter, and trade. There was no way. And the fact that we have over 100 and it's not even the end of the year, dude, it's a humbling experience, mate. It's pretty awesome.
It's an amazing experience, yeah. It's amazing to see you guys genuinely enjoy what we do here. We've got 110 members in the Discord as well. No, 108 members in the Discord as well, which is incredible. There's 108 of you in the Discord that love what we do. It's incredible to see.
Well, I think love is a strong word, mate.
Yeah, maybe enjoy what we do.
Tolerate.
Love what we do. So it is awesome. It is super cool to see you guys genuinely enjoying what we do here at the Brotherhood. And I know that so many, I get messages, DMs from you guys telling me that you're incredibly grateful for the Brotherhood, what it's created for you guys. That you couldn't find a better community elsewhere. And when I get these messages, it really does make the hard work worth it. I'm up until 2-3 a.m. some nights just working hard. That's why sometimes I'll come on to stream and you'll see me look so tired. Right now, I'm the past couple of days have been fine, but last week especially, I put in some real late nights. I was showing up and I was like, "Morning, guys." I just looked awful. I looked so worn and run down and tired. But it's because I'm putting in the hard work in the background for you guys to have the best community ever. That is what I'm going for. I'm going for the best community ever. Because we're going to be traders my brother, who's also my co-founder, he is a personal trainer. So he's a lifestyle coach. So he talks about health and well-being, fitness, motivation, and how all of that links into being a successful trader.
It's a lot of work.
CC is in as well, and this goes to show how good this community is. Even my partner comes to support us live stream, which is super cool. How do I like my coffee?
The same way you like your woman, mate.
Yeah.
Strong, sweet caramel.
Hey, I like that. a slight dash of milk and a little bit of honey. Mwah. Cece, when we live in Hong Kong together, are you going to be making me coffee and bringing me coffee when I'm streaming?
I have a question, mate. Like, you're going there to, go and experience the Hong Kong life,
Mm-hmm.
with CC, your partner. But you're going to continue the Apex Brotherhood. You're going to continue the streaming and all of that kind of stuff. What is CC doing?
Oh, she'll be working out though.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. Because she's from there. Like, she'll just fit. That's like me living outside of the UK and then coming back to the UK. It's like, well, I just work. It's technically my home country, so she's not. She'll just work out there, probably. And if she's not working out there, then she'll probably just harass me all day. She'll be dragging me.
Probably going to be some sort of harassment.
Yeah, she'll be dragging me all over the city. So that's gonna be super cool. I've got world's sexiest tour guide, so I'm looking forward to that.
That is pretty cool, mate. The fact that you have such a planned out stay, basically. You get to see the world,
100%.
one country at a time.
Yeah, well, that's what we're planning on doing as well. Like I was telling you yesterday, we plan on scuba diving every single ocean and in pretty much every single country. It's a big plan of ours. I need to sort my diving qualifications out because unfortunately CC is more qualified than me as a diver, so I need to do one.
Unfortunately?
Because it means that I got to do an extra qualification to have the same experience. Otherwise I won't be able to go as deep, and I won't be able to do some of the stuff that's maybe the cooler side of diving. So unfortunately, at this stage, I need to do one more qualification with my diving, and then me and CC will be able to do some what do you call it? Joint experiences.
Tandem.
Yeah, we'll be able to do some experiences in tandem. In the Wild Trades, make some vlogs. Well, I would love to see how life is there. That's a really interesting point. I mean, I've got a personal YouTube channel. It's not much, but do I make some vlogs on that? Or do I put it on the Apex Brotherhood?
Do the editing and all of that stuff, do it.
Oh, I can't do editing, mate. I'll have to. I mean, I can do basic editing. Maybe I'll send it off to an editor. Maybe I'll try and see if I can find one.
You're going to have to pay that editor, though.
Yeah, that's true. Well, I mean, as long as it's a good video. Even here, as a traveling trader, I mean, that's a fair point. Maybe I'll drop it on the Apex Brotherhood.
Yeah, you can do that, mate. You just need to edit.
Maybe I'll do like a day in the life vlog. If you guys are interested in that.
It doesn't have to be a day in the life. It can literally just be Will, the traveling trader for the Apex Brotherhood. You're traveling the world. You're trading in different portions of the world. You go scuba diving, all of that kind of stuff. Instead of a day in...
You've reminded me. I need to pack my GoPro. You've just reminded me.
Dude, you've got 2 weeks, 3 weeks before that even needs to become a concern.
Dude, I'll forget it. Let me add it to my list.
Make a list.
Make a list. I have. That's literally what I got. I've got a list of things.
Pop it in that day list, bro.
Dude, do you want to see? I can't show you what is on my list, but I can show you I've got a long list.
Maybe not on the YouTube, mate.
It's fine. It's blurry, but it's nothing too important. It's just like pack.
Love this, mate. Be honest, nothing fancy, cars being rich, etc., and people will likely connect with it.
But the thing is, it won't be. It won't be. Hey, look, guys, I'm super rich. Watch me be super rich. It is literally it's me and Cece living in an apartment in Hong Kong together, all funded by my trading. You know, so yeah, 100%. It's not going to be anything sexy. Like all the sexiness will be. It'll be the proper real life. This is what I'm genuinely doing. There's not going to be any garbage stuff there. You know, I'm leaving my car at home, so I'm not going to have my flash car, and I'm not renting a car out there. I may rent a motorbike. To be fair, maybe.
Are you going to do public transportation, mate?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, probably. It's the first time in years I've done public transportation, but.
Dude, you did public transportation the other day with the whole Trade Delicious.
Oh, that's the fair point. I did actually, didn't I? Yeah, okay, I lied. Sorry, guys.
Caught ya. Anyway, guys, with that absolute bombshell that Will is a liar. I'm joking, mate. We're going to head over to the Discord now. So for everybody that's here, please come and join us. It's going to be the same energy, just we can swear a bit, you know, and you guys can chat with us, literally talk if you want to. It's a little bit more intimate, it's a little bit more personalized, so come and join us there. Right after here, immediately we're hopping in there. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to build a proper community, not only in the Discord, but also on YouTube as well. The idea is we want to reach as many people as we can, bring them into our community. You help us, we help you, we build something together. Right, mate, anything from you before we end the stream?
No, mate, if you want to join the Discord, link in the description below. Link is also in chat. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you leave a like, and we shall see you all tomorrow. In fact, yeah, tomorrow. We may have something a little different for you guys tomorrow.
Yes. All right, guys, see you in the Discord. Cheers.